Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Leo for the remaining month of September. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see. Leo fire sign, your recent past. The Lovers, wow. Two of Cups, wow. There is a lot of love between both of you in past, but some Nine of Swords, but there is some mental conflict in one person in this connection. There is love, definitely there is equal love between both of you, but one person still not sleeping at night time, so there is some mental conflict in one person. So let's see what is going between both of you. Your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, particularly Gemini, Ace of Wands. Okay, Ten of Cups, wow, Two of Cups and Ten of Cups. Two of Wands, yeah, this could be long distance relationship. One person is thinking about another person a lot. I think this is obsession. That's why there is love. Still one person is obsessed with another person. It could be your person and it could be vice versa. Definitely Nine of Wands, Nine of Swords and Two of Wands. Definitely thinking. You have your life. You have to think about your goals also. That's why this obsession takes place. That's why you're not. Even your person loves you. One person one person getting this type of energy because obsession. Yeah, there is if you are in separation, definitely there is a chance for brand new beginning between both of you. Ace of Wands, Ten of Cups, because you love each other, you both want each other. Ten of Cups. So let's see some more information about you, about your connection. Two of Swords, Four of Pentacles, Justice. Yeah, I think your person still loves you. They are not expressing their feelings to you. That is the main problem here. And Libra, definitely if you are in separation, your person wants second chance with you. One person still at some crossroads, blindfolded. They don't know what to do in the present situation. So definitely if you are waiting for your person second chance, they want you. Definitely there is no doubt about it, because Ten of Cups and Two of Cups. Yeah, again your person near future action towards you. In that, the first card is Five of Pentacles. Definitely separation. Hangman, I think your person is now spiritually awakening. They are stuck. Judgment, yeah, I think your person also wants second chance with you. They will realize your worth after the separation. Yeah, because you are the person who put 100% in this connection, but they are not expressing their feelings. They want you, but they are not putting any effort. That is the issue. That's why you walked away. Then they realize your worth and they want a second chance with you. So let's pull some more cards from the universe. Two cards, so that's why I'm not. Okay, Two of Pentacles. Yeah, your person juggling. High Priestess, Eight of Pentacles. Your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sag, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, all signs. King of Wands, and under the deck Nine of Pentacles. Definitely your person right now, in near future, they want to work on this relationship. Definitely they will approach you because they want second chance with you, but you stand by your power. King of Wands, definitely you are very power, and definitely there is some patience and balance is needed. Some secrets are there in this connection, or your person hides something from you, but it ups to you to give second chance to your person or not, Leo. But they want to work on this relationship, definitely, because there is love. Gemini and Two of Cups, definitely they love you, but they are not expressing their feelings, but they want to express their feelings and they want to work on this relationship. So it's up to you to give an offer to your person. So this is the reading for you, Leo. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.